So we're doing the bony landmarks and the muscles of the elbow, wrist, and the hand. So let's start with the bony landmarks. Makes the muscles a little bit easier to find. So, okay, so we've got the lateral epicondyle and the medial epicondyle down here. Lateral, medial. I don't know what that is. And then we have the olecranon, which is the major bony part of the elbow right there. Radius and the ulna. The radius is, let's see, out on the outside here. Ulna, and then radius on the inside toward the thumb. Yeah, that's the radius, ulna. Get myself confused. The radial tuberosity and the ulnar tuberosity. These are going to be down deeper. So I guess I'm not really good at doing this. Let's see. Radial tuberosity in here. Ulnar tuberosity down there. And then the fingers, the joints, MCP, PIP, DIP. So in that order, these are the MCP joints, and let's see, I said PIP, yep, PIP joints, and then the DIP joints right there. Okay, I think that's it. So the muscles now, we've got, let's see, this is tricep, this is bicep. Biceps, this part right here. It originates up here, originates on the coracoid process right here. It consists of the short head and the long head, and which is more deeper, but it inserts on the radial tuberosity, and the action, flexion of the elbow and supination. So supination, it's pronation, supination. Okay, the next tricep. This is posterior, so this is on the back. Yes, okay. And it inserts, well, let's see, it originates, same up here, and inserts on the olecranon process. So back here. And then this helps with elbow extension. Yes, okay. So next is extensor carpi radialis brevis. This originates, let's see, on the lateral epicondyle, which will be out here, okay. And inserts on, comes up on the base of the third metacarpal. So I guess it would be 1, 2, 3. So down here, and this helps with wrist extension. Yeah, okay, so the middle finger, that makes sense, yeah. So wrist extension. The next is extensor carpi radialis longus. This originates near the lateral epicondyle. So again, on the outside, and I'm pretty sure it's called the supracondylar ridge. So it's near the lateral epicondyle. So I'm gonna say like things below it. Yeah, probably like I do here. And this one comes up to the, so I just did the third. So second metacarpal right there. And this, the action would be radial deviation. So radial deviation toward the pinky. Next is extensor carpi ulnaris. Originates on the lateral epicondyle again. And this one inserts on the 5th metacarpal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're looking at here. And this one helps action with ulnar deviation, which I think is, let's see, this is radial, this is ulnar. No, this is ulnar. Yes, it helps with ulnar deviation. This is radial deviation. So I guess for the one I just did for the longest, okay, that's radial deviation. Okay, so on the inside, if it's the 2nd metacarpal, right there. Okay, confusing myself here. Let's see here. Got the ulnaris. I'm trying to go in order here. Oh, okay. So the flexor carpi ulnaris, this one is on the anterior side of the hand. And I guess we're looking at the medial. Yeah, right there. So, okay, so it attaches here. This is where it originates. And inserts on the pisiform of the 5th metacarpal. So like right here. And the action is ulnar deviation and wrist flexion. So wrist flexion and ulnar deviation. Okay, now let's do flexor carpi radialis. It originates on the medial epicondyle again on the inside, just like the other one. And it inserts at the base of the 2nd and 3rd metacarpals. So 2nd and 3rd, right there. Down there. This one is the same, ulnar deviation. No. This one is radial deviation, so toward your thumb and wrist flexion, like that. Okay. So the 2 thenar eminence, this one is on the thumb side right here, and then the hypothenar eminence, hypothenar, if I'm saying that right, eminence is the pinky side right here. Okay, so now I think this is the back of the hand. The extensor digitorum communis originates at the lateral condyle, so over here. Get it down here so you can see it. And this one, let's see, originates on the DIP, PIP, MCP. No, MCP, PIP, DIP, so DIP. Yes, okay. That's right, okay. So it inserts there. So here we go. All the way up here. So it's the 2nd through the 5th. So that would be 2nd through the 5th from the lateral epicondyle. This helps with finger extension, flexion, extension. The flexor digitorum superficialis. These words are complicated for country hicks like me. Okay, so flexor digitorum superficialis originates at the medial condyle, epicondyle. This inserts at the PIP joints, which are the middle ones right here. And this helps with the flexion of the MCP and the PIP, so maybe like that. Let's see. I think the last one may be the profundus. Yes, okay, so flexor digitorum profundus This is on the thumb side. It originates the 3/4 of the upper ulna. So here. And inserts on the DIP joints. So I guess it may be over here. And, oh, losing battery here. Okay, so it originates 3/4 of the upper ulna. It inserts on the DIP joints, and it's the flexion of the all three of the joints. So extension, no, flexion, extension, flexion is what it helps with. So there originates, inserts in the DIP joints, flexion of all the three joints. I think that's all I did. That's it.